To configure Artisan to change the background color, we need to create two alarms that work together. To do that, click on Config, Alarms. Click the Add button. This is our first rule that's going to change the background color. We leave the status on. Let's say we want to change the canvas color at the turning point. We select TP for turning point. We can select either BT or ET and set it to 0. And what this does is it's a workaround to allow us to trigger an alarm on an event. Our action is going to be set canvas color. And we want to set the canvas color to whatever hex code of the canvas color we want. So this is going to create a gray color. This will set the color, and now we need to create another alarm to reset it. So we click Add, leave it on. Now we can set this second alarm to trigger only if the first alarm triggers. So if the first alarm never triggers for whatever reason, the second alarm won't. We're going to evaluate this second alarm in context with the first alarm. So we select if alarm, and it's going to point to alarm 1, and we'll set this to 10. We can set this to nothing so that it's not evaluated, and we select reset canvas color. We can remove this description. The way these two rules work is the first rule will trigger at the turning point. It's available at any time after the turning point, and it will trigger on the condition of the bean temperature being above 0. It will always be above 0, so that's a workaround to trigger this alarm on an event. The second alarm is guarded by the first alarm. It will only trigger if the first alarm is triggered. We are also putting the second alarm in context with the first alarm. So 10 seconds from alarm 1, we are going to trigger alarm 2, and the action is reset canvas color. Once we've done that, we click OK, and we're good to go.